This tutorial will show you how to add and manage users in your MobiPaid portal. You can create separate login accounts for your employees, resellers, or subsidiaries that handle payments on your behalf. Each can be given a different combination of privileges. Each new user logs in with the details you provide them when creating their new user account. Log into your MobiPaid merchant portal. From the dashboard, click on your profile icon and then select Add New Users. Click on Plus New Account. Enter your new user's email address, then either enter a password or click Generate Password to let MobiPaid generate one for you. Lastly, you need to select the account type by selecting from the 4 options available in the drop-down menu. Depending on which account type is selected, certain privileges will be pre-selected, others unselected and grayed out, and some available for you to choose. The 4 types of accounts are as follows. Accounting can view and export payment and customer information, but has no capability to send payment requests. Administrator can access all user functions. Sales can send payment requests and create social media campaigns, but has no capability to view and export payment and customer information. Sales accounts can also be set up to have full access or restricted access. Developer can access and utilize API keys in your dashboard for integrations. Once you have selected and customized the account type, click Save to add the user. You can always edit a user account once it is created by clicking the edit icon to the right of the user, making the changes, and then clicking Update. If you wish to change the password for a user, click on the lock icon to the right of the user and enter a new password, or let MobiPaid generate one for you, and then click Update. You can also delete users by clicking on the delete icon to the right of the user. That concludes this tutorial for adding new users. Remember, you can always use the user guide to refresh or read up more on using the portal, and as always, if you need help, please contact support at mobipaid.com. Enjoy taking payment from anyone, anywhere, and anytime with MobiPaid.